In a small town near the green hills and a gentle stream, there lived Baba Kareem, a kind and warm elderly man. His home was a simple cottage at the edge of the town, surrounded by a small garden, a few fruit trees, and a wooden fence that whispered softly in the breeze. Baba Kareem had lived a long life. His wife had passed away many years ago, and he had no children. But he was never truly alone. He had a little friend, a gentle goat named Layla. She was white, with small brown spots, a calm face, and soft eyes that always seemed to understand him. Wherever Baba Kareem went, Lila followed, wagging her short tail and making soft, mimi sounds as if joining his conversations. Every morning, as the sunrise painted the sky orange and pink, Layla gave a bowl of fresh milk. Baba Kareem would collect it with care, smile, and whisper, "One bowl is enough, my dear Layla. May we always have just what we need." He would drink half the milk for breakfast and save the rest for evening tea. His life was simple, but filled with peace and gratitude. Then one morning, something unusual happened. Layla gave two bowls of milk instead of one. Baba Kareem blinked in surprise. "Subhanallah, two bowls?" he said with a smile. "That's generous." He drank one and took the second to the market. He didn't ask for much, just enough to buy a little rice and some jaggery. The next morning, the same thing happened again. Two bowls of milk, then again. Soon, the villagers began to notice. "Baba Kareem," one man said, "you should sell both bowls. Maybe she'll start giving three next time." Another said, "Buy more goats. You could start a milk business and earn a lot of money." But Baba Kareem only smiled and said, "One for me and one to share. That's enough." He gave the extra milk to hungry children, to old neighbors, and sometimes left it quietly on someone's doorstep at night. People began calling him Milk Baba with affection. Then came the monsoon season. The rain poured for days, the stream overflowed, and many fields were destroyed. Families struggled to find food, and children cried from hunger. But every morning, Lila still gave two bowls of milk. Baba Kareem collected them, boiled them, and walked through the muddy lanes, handing them to those who had nothing left. He never asked for payment, only prayed that everyone found peace again. One rainy afternoon, a few villagers came to him and said, "Baba Kareem, you could have become rich. Why didn't you sell more when you had the chance? Why didn't you save money for yourself?" Baba Kareem looked at them with kind, tired eyes and smiled softly. "My friends," he said, "true happiness isn't in gathering more. It's in being grateful for what we already have and sharing it when others need it most." He gently patted Layla's head and continued, "If I had chased after more, I might have forgotten what enough feels like. Because of one goat's milk, today no one around me sleeps hungry. Isn't that real wealth?" The villagers stood quietly, moved by his words. Baba Kareem's cottage was small, his clothes were old, yet his heart was rich with compassion and peace. From that day on, everyone remembered his saying, "Be happy with what you have, and you'll always have enough." Every evening, as the sun dipped below the hills, Baba Kareem sat outside his cottage, sipping tea, while Lila rested beside him. The golden light touched their faces, and the world around them glowed with warmth and calm, the simple beauty of a thankful heart. Friends, if you like this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, true happiness doesn't live in things. It lives in the heart that knows how to be grateful